Today I'm going to be showing you an easy method to make at least 1000 naira the app we're going to be using for this method is PalmPlay. And just so you know, on this channel we cover everything money making method and how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, please do subscribe. This is a very easy method and I'm going to show you how. So if you don't already have PalmPlay downloaded, head over to your Play Store and search it up. And as for me, I have it downloaded and that's why you're seeing open. So I'm going to open it and show you exactly how you can do this. Basically, PalmPlay has a bunch of different features. You can top up your airtime and they have a bunch of different bonuses. So you see 50 naira, 30 naira cashback, 100 naira, 30 naira cashback, and so on. So it's like they are not just a platform that you can refer and make money, but they also offer services. So you can top up your airtime, you can loan money up to 150,000 and 50,000 with low interest and low collateral. You can also pay your electricity bills, as you can see here, Ikeja Electric District Company, and so many more. You can also pay for your TV subscription. Here you can see Showmax, DSTV, Box Office, GoTV, and many more. So aside the fact that you can use it to make money, it is also a good app when it comes to utility and usage. But now let's get to the juicy part on how we can actually make money with PalmPay. Head over to the Fair and Earn section, and as you can see here now, I have my cash reward is 480. In this place you see Jogida just got 600, Charles just got 600 naira, and that's just how it is. So you have to click on invite new users to get cash and you copy it. When you click on it, it will copy your link. Once you copy your link, you can now head over to any other platform, maybe your WhatsApp, and post it there. Like now, head over to my WhatsApp and I'll post it on my status. By the way, you can text me. My number will be in the description for more ways to make money online. Just text me and you know more. And you post it on your WhatsApp status here, straight up. And anybody who clicks and registers, you make money off of it. That's just how it works. It's as easy as that and straightforward. Now back to the app, and if anybody clicks, we'll see it right here. So invite at least one user to get 600 naira, and once you get like that and you're inviting more people, you can make more money. But there's a secret method that people use to get sign-ups without disturbing their family and friends. And if you want me to show you that method, text me on WhatsApp and I'll let you know. But that's basically how people earn with PalmPlay. Just so you know, the link will be in the description to sign up and start making money today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Please subscribe. Thanks.